You guys, I can't take this fucking pandemic shit anymore. I go into the pharmacy yesterday. Everybody's wearing their masks, which is all well and good. There's this one chick walking up the freaking aisle, and she looks like she's in pain. She looks like she's got a fart. And you know what? So did I. But I was like, okay, I'm going to stay away from her, whatever. She has a mask on like this. She proceeds to take her fucking mask off and go, Choo! Are you fucking kidding me? I said, what is wrong with you? Who taught you how to fucking sneeze? Are you kidding me? It's a fucking pandemic. Sneeze in your fucking arm, you dumb fuck.